Hello there, this is my channel Tegustu Zarion. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue part 3 with a method how to insert additional rows and columns using already inserted table. Possible to open window plus letter R, then type WinWord and press enter key to open Word. Here useful keyboard actions inside a table. We have this table. We have to place first the cursor inside one of the cell. It says useful keyboard actions inside the table. Add a new row. How can we add a new row? Press tab at the end of the last cell. It says press. We have to move to the end of cell, then possible tab key. Tab key here. It adds additional row. Press tab at the end of the last cell. It says it helps you to add a new row. What about add row above using a keyword? For instance, I want to add a row above 3. Press first Alt plus J plus L. Alt J L. Finished. Now it is ready. There are here letters. For instance, insert above a letter. It helps you to insert above the row 3. PE, letter PE, it helps us to insert below 3. L, the column to the left, and R to the right. First add a row above 3. We have chosen 3. Then press A. Now A, it helps us to insert above A, letter A. Finished. It inserts above 3, a new row. Undo. Then the next feature, add a row below. I want to add additional row below 3. First press Alt J plus L. Alt J L. Then PE. 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 Finished. Letter PE. It adds additional row below the row 3. Okay, undo. It returns back one step to the back. The next feature, which adds a column left. For instance, I want to add additional column to the left of 3 column. First, it says add a column left, Alt plus J plus L. Alt J L. It selects the menu. Then L helps you to insert left on the left of 3, and R later helps you to insert to the right of 3. L. We have chosen 3. L. Here. Already inserted additional column on the left of 3. Undo. Don't forget to make your cursor or insertion point. You have to always plus your insertion point. First selection, then action. It says first selection, then action. Add a column right. How can we add a column right? Alt plus J plus L. Alt J L. It is ready now. Then pressing letter R, then R, or click here R. It is inserted now. Inserted. Okay, one step undo. What about the last feature in this object? Move to the next cell. The tab key helps us to move from one cell to the another. When you say it is a combination of column and row. Column is a vertical section and row is a horizontal section. Tab. When you become at the end of the cell, on the last of the row, it adds additional rows. Finished. What about to move to the previous shift plus tab, for instance, shift plus tab, shift with tab, shift with tab, returning one step back, returning one step back. For instance, I am here to return back to one, shift plus tab, moves back to one. For today is enough. Thank you. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel.